Welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you're here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell and you'll never miss any of my wig related videos. I'm bringing you a review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails and you'll get a code for 30% off. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any questions about what wigs are in stock or what colors are in stock, etc. So today I am wearing another really cute style from the new Jon Renau Smart Lace collection for 2021. This is SKYLAR and the color on this one is 8RH14 Hot Cocoa. So can't wait to tell you about this beautiful girl in just a minute. SKYLAR by Jon Renau. So SKYLAR is the only wig from this collection, this new collection, that is a heat-friendly wig. And if you look in your box when you receive your wig, they have this great little booklet and it tells you all about their HD fibers. It also has their regular synthetic and human hair, but it gives you all the temperatures that you can use, you know, for your heat styling and things like that if you want to flat iron or if you want to add more curl. Now I have seen these on a few other reviewers and theirs look like they had a little more wave to them. This one has wave underneath, but this top layer, I don't know if the waves just didn't quite bake in as much, but you know, I feel like I need to add, you know, a little wave to this one probably, just to kind of match what's, I wish it had this wave, you know, going all through the top. But anyway, this top layer is just not as wavy on this one, but I like to show you these, you know, pretty much straight out of the box so that you can see and you can compare different people who are wearing these wigs and see, you know, what you can expect when you receive your wig. So that's why I didn't curl her or add wave to her or anything like that. Now I can scrunch her a bit and I can get, you know, more body and kind of wake up the waves. So, you know, I don't know, maybe it's not going to be a problem. You know, maybe just a little spritz of water and some scrunching would, you know, wake up those waves a little bit in her. But anyway, she is HD, you know, heat friendly, so you can add curl if you want to, which is nice. All right, I will do a 360 so you can see her all the way around and then we can look at all of her measurements. So here she is from the front. Very pretty. Now, of course, with heat friendly fibers, you could cut in a bang and, you know, smooth it out with your steam or flat iron or whatever. So I feel like that's easier to do with heat-friendly fibers than it is with regular synthetic, because you have a little more, I don't know, to me, I have less fear that I'm gonna mess up the wig, you know? So this is my left. You can see she's just tapers just slightly in the front. She's just a little bit longer right around the face, which I think is kind of a cool, you know, gives her an edgy, modern look. She's blunt on the ends. Here's the back. My right. Again, you see that little bit of extra length. And back to the front. Okay, so measurement wise, her bang here in the front is 11.5 inches. She is 11 inches from the crown. So she's got an 11-inch layer back here. She is 9.75 inches on the sides, and her nape is 3.5 inches. Weight-wise, she comes in at 4.5 ounces, so she is very, very lightweight. All right, let's talk about her cap. So she is a full mono top, smart lace front that goes, you know, from the ear tab to the ear tab. There's a little extra lace, so you could certainly customize that front hairline if you want to. I think the knotting looks really, really good. I love, this is my favorite, I think, brunette by them. The 8RH14, the Hot Cocoa. So, but the knots look really, really good. Not heavy at all. And then I've got good coverage around the face. This is definitely fitting average on me. So I had to take in the adjusters a bit, you know, just to get the circumference to fit, but it's not huge average or anything like that, but that's a good thing because it means that it's gonna, you know, accommodate a lot of different head sizes. So, but for my more petite friends, just so you know, I did have to bring the adjusters in. It's not impinging on my ears or anything like that, so it doesn't feel like it's huge on me, but it's definitely an average and would go above average size cap. So just to let you know about the fit. Really, really cute. Okay, I'll pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. So here is that full mono top, smart lace front. You've got a very generous, you know, this covers the whole top of my head. So really, really nice. And you can see my fingers under there. You're able to part that wherever you'd like. So here's that smart lace front. Their lace is you might feel like it's just slightly thicker than other. It's a welded lace, so it's very durable, which I really like. Not uncomfortable at all, not scratchy in my opinion. So soft velvet ear tabs, open wefted, stretchy cap, so lots of stretch. This is gonna fit, accommodate a lot of head sizes. And then Velcro adjusters. And I could bring these in even a little bit more on my head, and then she does not have an extended nape. She just has a soft, felt strip there, which her nape is, only 3.5 inches, but I don't know. I like an extended nape myself, but. Okay, there's that part. Looks very natural. There's that lace front. Looks really, really good. Okay, let's look at this color 8RH14 Hot Cocoa. Very, very pretty brunette. There's that part, by the way. I don't think I showed it to you. Looks really nice. Okay, back to the color. All right, so 8RH14 Hot Cocoa is described as a medium warm brown with generous fine dark blonde highlights. So you can see the highlight is visible to the eye, but it's not, bold or chunky. It's just a subtle highlight that runs all through the wig. I feel like this 8RH14, I guess maybe because it's the HD fibers, it looks just slightly darker than what I'm used to. So something to note on this color. I would still say it's a, medium brown, but, and I don't know, they're calling it a warm. I kind of feel like it lends itself more neutral, personally, which is great. I think it would look good on a lot of people. So here we are without the bright light. It doesn't really change. It's just the ring light. Okay, let's go check it out outside. So I'm actually on my front porch, and the color definitely looks lighter in the natural light. I'm filming at a different time of the day. It's about 5 in the afternoon. So I'm having to do my outdoor in a little bit different area. Okay, I'll step in and show you what she looks like in the sun. Back maybe just a bit because it's glaring. I like how you can see that blonde highlight. So here's that the lace front. The lace front's so nice. And the part. Okay, let's look at glasses and styling and all that kind of stuff. So I wouldn't call her low density. I would call her kind of low to medium. She's not, unnatural looking. She's not full of permatease or anything like that, but she has a lot of hair. I find some Jon Renau wigs have a lot of hair on the monotop, and this one compared to the other wigs that are in this collection that are fully hand tied, she definitely feels like she has a bit more hair, and so just something to note. She is ear tuckable, as you can see. But I would, her density is just slightly different. So glasses are easy. They go up on the head. But again, there's a lot of hair over here. So just be careful, putting your glasses up. But I mean, she's fine with glasses. She's cute with a headband. Really cute. You could also just stick the headband in. And then she has, enough length to do a half up, half down, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I guess she would stay. She doesn't have the length like for a ponytail or anything, but you could clip that back there. You might have a few hairs that fall, but that would probably just look, natural. Let's see. you know, you could even pull one down there around your face. And then I was playing around with her and I was twisting her and clipping her back. And she looks cute like that. So, you know, this, I love how nice the lace front is. So you can do those off the face styles. You know, you could bump her up here, up on the top. So really, really nice. So she's fun, she's cute, she's modern. I like her movement. I like the texture of the piece. You know, she'd be cool if you like use the Peace Out cream on her, you know, or something like that. She would, you know, again, that would really wake up her style and everything. So, but just know that she is just has a very subtle wave. You know, she is not a curly piece. She is just meant to have, you know, a bit of a wave to her. So really, really cute piece. Okay, so I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending me this to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below. And don't forget to go to the website and get that 30% off discount. Save yourself some money. So thank you so much for watching today. And until next time, don't forget, you are absolutely beautiful. Bye.